Hi everyone, it's me RE. So for this video, I really miss doing this kind of short video on my channel, giving thanks to all the people who support and share the blessings on my YouTube live streaming every Monday to Saturday, 2:30 p.m. onwards. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So for this video, I would like to share with you the thing that I've got, Laneige Lip Glowy Balm, and of course, thank you so much, Mayor Brian. So I'm kind of excited to use this because this is a two-in-one lip balm. It's a balm and with a shimmering splendid charot. So let me try just a little. Kita ba? Parang wala naman. So konti lang dahil maharly ka siya ng konti. So meron ba? Oh my gosh! It smells good actually. Mmm! Parang ang sarap niya kainin. It's kinda, sweet to eat. Sweet to eat! I can use this anytime, anywhere. Diba? It's so cute. And of course, in a pink color. Mukhang pink, ewan. So thank you everybody for the love and support on my channel and on my YouTube live streaming as always. From the bottom of my heart, ingat po kayo palagi and thank you as always. I love you all.